Hello everyone. So today is 11th of July and today there was a Nifty expiry. So I hope it all went great for you all. I gave you the signal. That is, I bought puts and also at what price I told. So here I clearly said that at 12:30 here you can very well clearly see that you can go now and check where Nifty was. So there I clearly said that in the money call writers are to be given exit, and I said Nifty. And if you did read these, and here if you have read that Nifty 20,200 P bought at 54, okay. And when I posted this here, the price was in the 60s range, okay. So again, you can be a part of the derivatives indicator family to get real-time updates. So yes, now coming back to so let's go to Nifty once. Okay, so Nifty here 12. So this is 12:10. So this is where 12:25 to 12:30. So this candle, okay. So almost at the exact top, okay, almost at the exact top we sold and Nifty, and it came down, okay. And then again, like there was it came down, but there was a halt here for you can very well see like 5 so 20 minutes, okay. So 20 minutes there was a halt here, and then also I clearly said that market is again going to fall. Nifty, okay. So let's come from the beginning. So morning, yes, as I said in yesterday's video also, I closed all my positional short positions at 60% decay, because I clearly said that there is a bull. There are some big bulls who wants to take the market up, and just yesterday's closing and today's morning, Nifty shot up by 150 points, okay. And that's why we got the signal much before, like no one expected, okay. So whole option chain was bearish, everything was bearish, okay. So no one expected a 150 points rise in Nifty all of a sudden, okay, overnight. Even if you don't say like overnight also, see the difference is not even one day. Today today by you can say 11 a.m. and yesterday's closing was at 19,350, okay. So here 11:55 or 12, whatever you say, okay. So that's the thing, like no one expected this. And so you can very well see like it's like a gap up and then it went up, okay. And yes, so we clearly analyzed that and we captured. Yes, we did not take any trades, but we were able to close at the perfect time, okay, with 60% decay. And then today in the morning what happened was both the side writers were present, and as you can see, like even the main thing is that, like if you go in Nifty also today, so Nifty 19,500 writers were present, and so even like Nifty did not even close below 19,400, okay. So but yes, Nifty fell, okay. Why? I'll explain. So let's go to the analysis. So what happens is here there are two cases, okay. So both the side writing positions were there, and now we analyze that yes, the call writers and in the money call writers were trapped, the big call writers, and so they would be given exit. Now after that we analyzed it correctly, okay. So they were given exit. Nifty came to 20,150, and at 150 the call writers who were there, they were given exit, okay. Now after that what happens is that usually, like if the put writer still sticks to their position, then Nifty will give a further dip, or somewhere between there it will consolidate and finally again it would come up. But what happened was exactly here, that is we bought at 54 there, and I also closed it at 78, okay, when the halt was there, okay. Then I started again analyzing what the fresh position, like what are the positions being taken by the big guys, or are they closing or something, and I found out that the put writers are closing, okay. And here again I said at 12:51 that there is a chance of going down again, don't go long. And here I clearly said I was talking about Nifty, okay. I'm talking about Nifty. So it's 1251 and 1252. So here, I saw that like the put writers are closing at I mean 20,200 P. Okay, so then what does it mean? That market won't reverse, market will fall. And now why does the fall like continues? So it continues because the put writing positions they close. Now they don't close their hedging positions which they bought like 50 points down or 100 points down. So then they utilize those hedging positions and also they further buy some more puts and then take the market further down and take the full advantage of it. Okay, so that's why like yes, I also again clearly during that halt I clearly said that there's a chance of going down again and don't go long. Okay, and yes, again market fell and the price like it went more than it went 3x. Okay, so like the 54 in the morning where we bought, so that price like I mean as far as I remember it somewhere it went to above 170 rupees also. So whatever, it's absolutely fine, like we got the move and we captured it and that's it. Okay, so again I mean analyzing these in the current market scenario is not I mean very easy. I should say you have to consider a lot of data points to come to these conclusions. Okay, and not only that, like there was call short covering also was going on in the morning. So those were retail traders and not big guys. So that's also you have to understand and analyze. So yes, now coming to the next thing, that is at 3 p.m. what we did was like call short at 20,000 at 20 rupees and I put also did put trading at 27. Then put this 27 rupees last of all it closed at 30 but somewhere it went to 45 or something. So it hit my stop loss at 32. So 5 points loss here and then 20 points gain. So overall 15 points gain. Okay, so yes, that was the 3 p.m. trade and that because I was expecting, because you see that finally like the price of closing of 20,000 20,000 PE was 30 rupees. Okay, so if put buyers were there, that price would have also gone like 50, 60 or maybe 100 rupees. Okay, so the writers were there and that's why I was expecting a closer a much closer finish to 20,000, but yeah, we can't do anything about it. But yes, market did not fall heavily like from that point. So that's the overall analysis and I also shared it on Twitter, so for every member. So I hope all of you have enjoyed my analysis. So don't forget to put a like and share it among the other traders so that even in future when I see such opportunity I would surely give you the update. Okay, so don't think like I mean others will share and I will take the advantage of the update. So please don't think like that. Please do share and let's grow together. So now let's come to Bank Nifty and Nifty. So let's talk about the indicators once, like the indicator score. If you can see here, there was a gap created and though market was going higher up, so you see that the scores if you see the score did not move further up. The score, if you look at the slope, it was decreasing and finally Nifty came down. Even for Bank Nifty also somewhat similar scenario, like here from here Bank Nifty was going further up but you see the score was in a decreasing mode and yeah, so the money flow was in a decreasing mode and so finally Bank Nifty also came down. And as we also analyzed yesterday, that is not only we analyzed that the big bulls are present which will take the market up, but after that I clearly said that it would be a sell on rise, because looking at the end of the day data, I mean the big guys were I mean FIs and prop decks, they were having majorly in option chain their positions were bearish and so market will be on a sell on rise, and that's what again happened today. So yes, now let's talk about the other analysis. So again DI is no activity at all. almost, and here again we can see that like almost negligible, and here we can see that almost I mean 1200 crores of buying by the FIIs. Talking about advance to decline ratio, again the advances are not like increasing or something, so overall market is not participating, declines are increasing as we can see. And now let's go to the end of the day data. So yes, so this was the yesterday's video. So I clearly said that final verdict was like sell on rise, but I also told that there would be some up move that we were expecting. And now coming to the end of the day data analysis. So here if you can see that like these closings are nothing but the FinNifty expiry closings. So here you will see that positions are being closed overall, but no. I mean the change is like indicating that call writing positions have been closed, but no, as I said yesterday that the big guys have done call writing in FinNifty, so obviously those call writing positions they got closed today. Okay, so now let's talk about what's left. So in Nifty and BankNifty for Thursday's expiry, so as you can see tomorrow is Wednesday and we'll see both the side moves. Today also some put writing has been done. Okay, so don't think that only this amount of put writing has been done. The put writing that were closed in FinNifty and then again were initiated in Nifty or BankNifty. Okay, so overall yes, put writing has been done, and also call writing positions are still intact. So this data shows that both the side moves will happen, and market will be favorable for the non-directional players. And talking about the futures data, so PropDex and FIIs again almost the same amount, no futures activity as of now, so they are basically active in the option chain, and the final verdict would be both the side moves, and it would be a consolidation phase or both the side moves, whatever you say. And yeah, so the main range would be like for Nifty would be 19,000. Let's go to the chart and discuss the range. So let's go to 1 day chart. Okay, so Nifty's range would be basically, if you can see that 19,500 to 19,000 I mean you can say that 19,350. Okay, so let's take this 150 range again. So this is what we are expecting. And again for BankNifty also, let's come down to 1 day. So BankNifty again, if you see here, that is we clearly even discussed today also in the group, that is 45,000. If you take like this interval like 44,800. Okay, and I mean we should see first of all like if 45,000 is taken down again or not. But for BankNifty, like again we should take from this range like 44,800, let's say 300 points up or 300 points down within a 600 points range. Okay, but yes, if you go to the option chain, let's go to the option chain once. So again if you see here, that is for Nifty, so these call writers as you can see they are closing. Okay, so but there are still call writers left there. So again that's why I'm saying like 19,500 or maybe 550 to 400 or 500 to 350. So this 150 to 200 range for Nifty. And for BankNifty, because data is saying that directional players will get benefit. So if you are a writer, like the best approach would be like to take writing positions on both the sides of the ATM. And talking about BankNifty, if you see here that call writers are above present and also below, like 44,500 call writers are there, and also 44,600, 700. So that's why I'm saying like 44,800 take 200 points below and take 300 points above, and that's like the 500 or maybe 200 points above. So for 500 to 400 points range you can take, and BankNifty will be trading within that high probability setup is that like high probability is there that Bank Nifty will be trading within that range. And yes, so that's the overall thing. And I hope I have discussed everything. So please don't forget to put a like if you are benefiting from my analysis. And yeah, please do share it among the other traders. And thanks for watching. Keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.